So why would you buy Avonic? So our cameras are designed and developed here in Delft-Gouw at our headquarters. So they are designed and engineered here in Europe. What I mentioned before, we have these market-driven features. We put into the camera everything you need for this particular application that our cameras are suited for. They are integrated with leading conferencing brands, mostly Bosch and Televic. So within these systems, we are fully integrated and supported by our partners. We include advanced technology within our cameras, so we keep developing and building on what we already have. So our tracking algorithms, they are constantly improved and advanced. One very important feature, this is something I mentioned before already, is we have very low latency streaming. And this is a key selling point for our cameras. We're the fastest in the market using open standard like H.264, H.265 encoding within the camera. The camera produces only about 40 to 50 milliseconds of latency on the encoding part, which is almost just as fast as the HDMI output on the camera itself. So in this case, we're the fastest in the market, and this is really where Avonic stands out as a brand. This is something we value very much because by eliminating the need for HDMI or SDI cabling, a single CAT cable to power the camera, to stream the video over and to control the camera over, that makes installation a lot faster and a lot more affordable. So we spend a lot of time focusing on the IP output of the camera. Now, looking at our technology partners, one thing that we find very important is that our camera integrates well with other products. There's a lot of different installations out there, a lot of different applications, and all these different applications have different demands. And in some case, maybe a Shure microphone might be better suited for your application compared to a Sennheiser, or the other way around. So we integrate with all these different brands to make sure that eventually you have the right solution for your application. And that's something that we value very much.